Hi everyone. Welcome back. We will explore how AI is changing the future. We explore in video content.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of constantly filming yourself on camera, only to mess up take after take? Do you spend hours recording and editing, only to end up frustrated with the results? And let's be honest, not everyone loves being on camera. What if you could create stunning professional videos without showing your face, without using a mic, and without speaking a single word? Well, thanks to AI, now you can. In today's video, I'll show you how to create realistic talking avatar videos using HitPaw Edimakor 2025, an AI-powered video editor that does all the heavy lifting for you. Let's dive in. Meet HitPaw Edimakor, your all-in-one video creation tool for the modern content creator. Whether you're making tutorials, explainer videos, product reviews, or even social media content, Edimakor helps you bring your ideas to life without needing a camera crew or a voice actor. One of its most powerful features is the AI Avatar Generator, a tool that lets you create lifelike digital presenters that can speak naturally from any script you provide. This isn't your average robotic avatar. We're talking about digital humans with facial expressions, natural lip sync, eye movement, and voiceovers that sound incredibly human. Let me show you how easy it is to make your own AI avatar video using HitPaw Edimakor. Step 1. Launch the Edimakor app. Once installed, the interface is clean and simple, no complicated menus or overwhelming buttons. Step 2. Click on the AI avatar feature in the sidebar. This takes you straight to the AI presenter setup. Step 3. Choose your digital avatar. HitPaw gives you a variety of realistic 3D avatars to choose from. Male and female, casual or professional, young or mature. You can select the one that best fits the tone of your video.
Hi there. Hope
Step
you have
4.
a nice day.
Type in your script. Just type what you want the avatar to say. It can be as short as a product intro or as long as a full training session. For example, "Hi everyone, welcome back." Today we'll explore how AI is changing the future of video content. Step 5. Choose the voice and language. Pick from dozens of natural-sounding voices across different languages and accents. You can fine-tune the tone, speed, and even add emotions, like excitement, calmness, or authority, to match your message. Step 6. Preview and generate.
Hi there. Hope you have a nice day. Hi there. Hope you have a nice day.
Once you're ready, hit the Generate button. In just a few moments, Edimakor renders your AI avatar video with perfect lip sync and voiceover.
Hi everyone. Welcome back. We will explore how AI is changing the future. We explore in video content.
No editing needed. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can add backgrounds, music, subtitles, and transitions, all inside the same editor. Drag and drop media on the timeline, trim clips, adjust timing, and create a polished video without needing extra software. Want your avatar on a virtual set or in front of a branded backdrop? No problem. Just upload your background or choose from built-in templates. With HitPaw Edimakor, you can create entire video series, like online courses, business presentations, or even faceless YouTube content, without spending hours recording or editing. It's that simple. Whether you're a busy professional, a teacher, a marketer, or someone who's camera shy, this tool empowers you to focus on the message while AI handles the rest. So, if you're ready to supercharge your video production with AI, head over to edimakor.hitpaw.com. That's edimakor.hitpaw.com, and download HitPaw Edimakor 2025 today. Experience what it's like to create high-quality videos in minutes, not hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on AI tools and content creation. And as always, happy editing!